Here we are again. We glad to introduce you a Cannondale Trail 4 2020 model year. With its progressive geometry, impressive construction and high-end features, the Trail offers unreal performance and killer value. This bike equipped with a trail frame, and reliable fork RockShox 30 Silver TK. And Shimano SLX high-quality derailleur makes it easy to overcome any terrain. There are brakes on the bike such as Shimano MT200 Hydro Disc. Cannondale Trail 4 equipped with good tires WTB Ranger Comp. I think this is a great choice for amateurs and professionals. Drive in pleasure. Do you like this video? Please follow the link in description or on the video to view the details. And subscribe to the channel.